What is a stock market? As the dictionary definition says, stock market is a place where shares of publicly listed companies are traded. Now let's try to understand this with the help of an example. Suppose I want to start a business and I have 10 lakh rupees in my hand to start this business, but I actually require 20 lakh rupees to start this business. I have two options. I can either approach a bank for a loan and ask for a loan, or I can actually get it from my friends or family. In the initial stage of my business, I don't prefer taking a bank loan because I might get into a debt trap. Because as you all may know, when a business starts, during the initial phase, there might be very less revenue, there might be very less profit or even losses. Because of this reason, I would prefer taking it from my friends or family. Let's say one of my friend actually invests 10 lakh rupees in my business and becomes part of my business. Now the total capital is 20 lakh rupees. So basically I have 50% share in my business and my friend also has 50% share. Let's say we do business well and the business flourishes. We are able to do good revenue, good sales, and finally what happens is we are able to build a reputation for the chain of restaurants as well. Because of this, the value of the company or value of the restaurant actually grows and becomes, let's say, 1 CR, 100 lakhs. How did this happen? Because we were able to grow our sales, our profits, and also the goodwill. I actually want to expand my business and I want to start one of my restaurants in Bangalore. To start this restaurant, I need 50 lakh rupees. Again, I have a choice of taking it as a loan from a bank. Now the choice is not going to friends or family, but going to the stock market. Stock market is a place where public can come in and actually buy shares of a publicly listed company. So I need to make my company a publicly listed company. For that, I need to do something called the IPO, which is the initial public offering. That is making my shares public. Why do I do this? It's because I don't have to pay a fixed interest payment. Rather, I am getting some equity owners for my company. So they are actually becoming the shareholders of my company, or they're actually becoming the owners of my company.